Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inserting the chart right away to anchor your data. Click Insert then Chart and select the chart type that matches your message. Choose column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for proportions. Once inserted, Word opens a small Excel sheet. Use it to paste or type your first rows and columns. Make sure headers and series are labeled correctly so the chart maps values correctly. This immediate action prepares the visual framework and prevents rework later. Once your raw numbers are in, update the data range and add or remove series directly in the embedded Excel. Then use chart tools designed to switch layouts or quick styles for consistent color and contrast with your document. Make sure to edit axis scales, category labels, and grid lines for readability. Adjust the legend position so it does not overlap data. You should also enable data labels when values matter. These choices control how your audience interprets the chart. To finish, decide whether to embed the chart for a static copy or link it to the Excel source so updates flow into Word. Choose Link if data will change. Resize and align the chart within text or use wrap text for tight layouts. If you need to place the graphic elsewhere, right-click and save as picture. If the chart shows wrong values, check Excel headers, hidden rows, and number formatting. Correcting those fixes most alignment and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.